Guys, this is the part 2 guys. Why my high tension wire of my old car has been burned last 3 days ago. So as I said on my first video that I changed high tension wires but my car is not getting started. So hindi siya nag-start and that's why I have this. This is a coil guys, a circuit coil. I bought this last 6 months ago because I'm planning to change the coil of my old car but it's still working at the time of so now I will change the new coil of my old car. So that I think the coil uh, has been affected by the burn of this high tension wire. So siguro apektado yung coil dahil nga sumabog yung high tension wire. I know it's not sumabog, it's burn, nasunog. So I will change this into circuit coil. Doon sa mga nagsasabi na ang coil na to ay hindi daw maganda. They say that this coil is not good for the old car because it will easily get it will easily be damaged because it is very cheap. More likely maybe $5. But here in the Philippines, this is almost 600 pesos. So napakamura. Ang daming nagsasabi na this is very cheap for the replacement of the old circuit. So yun nga, napaka-cheap daw to para dun sa mura, sa original na circuit. Sa original pala niya na coil ng Nissan Sentra. Pero plano kong i ano to i ano ba i-replace kasi nga baka umandar pa kasi ngayon hindi pa rin umaandar yung sasakyan ko since 3 days ago. So 3 araw na itong nakatambay, hindi pa rin umaandar kasi nga hindi ko pa nadadala sa mekaniko kasi hindi pa umaandar. So hindi na pwedeng i-push ko to papunta doon sa shop. Ang layo. So I want to replace the sir old coil for this. So ito na guys, magre-replace na tayo and I make sure that I can put it in a correct way so that the car will start. I hope so. Okay, let's go. Guys, ito yung original na coil guys ng Nissan Sentra guys. Ito yung guys oh. So I will change this new circuit coil para naman to start the car. I will try to change it. Okay, hindi pwede. So, number 10 pala to guys. Kailangan ko na lang mag-DIY guys para naman umandar to. Okay. See to it guys na kapag nagtanggal ka nito, make sure na the terminal will be at the same place. So, this is positive. Mayroon pala terminal guys, positive and negative. So, you have to put it on a positive terminal also so that will not the car will start if it's the problem, if this is the problem. Okay, ito guys oh. This is the positive and I will put this is the positive guys. Kailangan ko na mag-English guys kasi nga may mga viewers kasi ako na hindi kasi nakakaintindi yung Tagalog. So I have to make an I have to put an English video so that some of my viewers, most of my viewers, guys, came from India and India and uh, uh, basta I have to speak in English so that they have to understand. Kaya siguro hindi nila napapanood masyado yung video ko because they don't understand what I'm talking about. So that's why I'm making an English video. Even though some of my words are Tagalog, but mostly I will use English. Okay. Okay na ba tayo dyan mga pare? That's how I make my video. Okay. This is a negative terminal, guys. So I have to remove this and put this in my new coil to the negative terminal also of the coil. Okay. So, naku, hindi ko nakuha yung screw. I have to loosen this screw so that the coil will be detached from this. Okay? It's still very tight. Okay. Just like this. Ah. Kailangan pala itong tagalin, guys. Ilusin pala to. You have to loosen this screw so that the coil will get detached from this. Okay. There we go. Yes. And the other terminal will be put on negative terminal also. This is the negative terminal of this coil. Coil. Ito pala yung negative terminal ng coil. So, I have to put this like this. Yes. That's nasty go. And okay. Tapos guys, we have to put it back to the place where the coil is being dislocated. Okay. Lagay natin, balik natin yung coil. Oh, this is for testing only. Trial only. And baka umandar sa. Okay. And this screw will be, tigpitan natin yung screw. Ito kasi yung ground. This is the ground of the coil. Okay. Yeah. It's done. Tapos guys, tanggalin na itong pagkalagay dito. At siguraduhin na nalagay natin ang mabuti dito sa ano. You have to put it tightly. Dito din sa coil. So that it can function very well. Okay. Tapos na natin lagay yung coil, guys. Ito na yung coil na lagay na natin. So, very good. Yan. Okay. It sit properly. So, nalagay ko na ng mabuti, guys, yung coil. So, this is the coil. And the screws. Lagay natin yung screw dito para hindi mawala o ma-misplace the screw. Hindi ma-misplace. Okay. Dalawa pala yung ano, yung mark ng terminal eh. Ang old coil pala guys, meron parang dalawang mark. Sa taas, positive. Sa ilalim, positive din. So, hindi ka talaga magkamali dito kung paano ka maglagay ng ano, ng wire niya. Kasi dalawa yung mark niya eh. Positive, positive, negative, negative. So, hindi ka magkakamali. You will not get the wrong, you will not put it in the wrong terminal because there are two marks. Okay, the positive and negative, so it is correct. And then, guys, dahil tinanggal kong battery nito, guys, kasi nga, yung battery nito is merong leak. So, something short. Kinakain niya yung ano, battery kahit hindi nagka-on yung ano, hindi naka-on. So, ilagay ko dito. This is the negative terminal and I put this to negative terminal in the battery. Okay? So, ito na guys. Ready na tayo to on the Nissan V12. Ready na tayo para mag-on. Okay? Let's go! Guys, nalagay ko na yung ano guys, nalagay ko na yung coil guys ng ano, bagong coil na binili ko, nalagay ko na. So, start ko na yung car. Para naman malaman natin if the car will start o yung nga umandar. It's still hindi umandar guys, hindi pa rin kumana yung coil na nilagay ko. Hindi nag-start, the car didn't start. So ano nga ba? So wala na guys, kailangan na to siguro talaga, bumili talaga ako ng spark plug. Yan na lang yung pinakahuli kong resort o solution. I want to buy a new spark plug so that matistingan natin if the car will start. Okay. So, yun na guys. And yun na muna. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang kwento ko guys, so like naman ang video na to at mag-subscribe. Thank you.